2 to the power 11 plus 4 to the power 11 plus 8 to the power 11 upon 8 to the power 11 minus 1. We have to evaluate it without using calculator. 2 to the power 11 plus 4, we can write it as 2 to the power 2, then whole to the power 11, plus 8 as 2 to the power 3, then whole to the power 11, upon again 8 as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 11 minus 1. Now when a raised to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n, and this we can also write it as a to the power n whole to the power m. So here we can write 2 to the power 11 plus 2 to the power 11 whole to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 11 whole to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 11 whole to the power 3 minus 1. Now let us consider 2 to the power 11 as x. Then we have x plus x square plus x cube upon x cube minus 1. Now here we can take x common in the numerator and write 1 plus x square upon and x cube minus 1. This is in the form of a cube minus b cube, and we can expand it as a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So this we can write x minus 1 times x square plus x times 1 is x plus 1 square. Now x, this we can rearrange and write x square plus x plus 1. There is no change in the equation, upon x minus 1 times x square plus x plus 1. Now these are two like factors, so we can cancel them out. Now we have x upon x minus 1, and we consider 2 to the power 11 as x, so we have 2 to the power 11 upon 2 to the power 11 minus 1. 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024. It's easier to remember. 2 to the power 5 is 32. 2 to the power 10 will be 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2. That means 32 square. 32 square you can easily calculate. Write the square of 2, that is 04, then square of 3, that is 9. Then multiply the two digits. 3 times 2 is 6, and multiply it with 2 because we are squaring the number. 6 times 2 is 12. Write 12 and then add. So it is 1024. So this is a trick to find square of any 2-digit number. So 2 to the power 11 will be 1024 times 2. So it will be 2048 upon 2048 minus 1, or equal to 2048 upon 2047. So this is our answer. How did you solve it, and how did you like this trick to find the square of any 2-digit number? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.